Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about what it really takes to be an admired project leader. So let's start with the age-old question. Are great leaders just born that way? Well, the research is pretty clear. Leadership isn't some magic trait. It's a skill you can build. It all comes down to your actions. What you actually do is what defines you as a leader. In fact, you can pretty much group leaders into three basic types you see at work. Most leaders are one or the other, but the goal? Be both. Be an admired leader. That's the core of the Admired Leadership Framework. It's a 30-year study of what works. Think of it less like a theory and more like a playbook of moves you can use tomorrow. Okay, so what does this have to do with you running a project? Let's connect the dots. Well, think about it. Every single new idea, every initiative, it's all a project at its core. Which means being a project manager is being a leader. You're the one making things happen through people. And as a PM, you have to lead by influence, not just authority. That's why this matters.
So let's get practical. Here are a few behaviors you can start using right now on your projects.
First up, feedback. A huge part of leadership is just making the people around you better. It's not just what you say, it's how. They know how to deliver tough news with real care. All right, number 2 is all about making great decisions. Great leaders have a system for this. This is crucial for projects where one bad call can derail everything. Let's get to our last one. Finally, and this is the big one, it all comes down to relationships. The best leaders build real connections. These connections are your foundation. It's what lets you lead when things get really tough. But here's the part that really changes things. This whole idea extends way beyond the office. This quote nails it. Dr. Stoopman realized great leaders don't just turn on their skills for work. They're the same person at home, with friends, in their community. It's just who they are. So leadership isn't just a role you play, it's the person you become. Who will you choose to be?